At Plant 58, we manufacture awnings, entry doors, baggage doors, and ramp doors. We have about 800 people, trucks coming in every day, people touching the product, moving the product through the plant, through the processes, and at the end of the day, we ship out about 45 truckloads of material to our customers every day, both local and across the country.
Plant 58 is a very strong leader in lean. Lean is about improvement. So it's taking a process, taking the waste out of the process, dialing it in to where that process becomes the best process that it can be. We have gone to the lengths of having lean classes for the people out on the floor. So we take a day, they go into class, learn the basics of what lean is. So when we come out to the floor and we have projects out here that we work on, they get the basics of it. They understand what we're trying to accomplish.
We used to have a lot of walking, on the window station and the router. We used to walk about 20 feet. So we brought the window station closer to the router, put it on a straight line, and reduced the 20 feet. Now it's maybe 5. From upper management to the floor, everybody's interested in lean. They want to learn, they want to embrace it, they want to do it.
We have these reoccurring issues that continually frustrate us. You might have a great day, and then that one thing happens that happened yesterday, it happened the day before. So by focusing on our teams and growing them and giving them the tools they need to be able to eliminate some of these things, they feel empowered to make improvements in their area, and ultimately that creates a much more sustainable environment.
Lean has created a new culture here. It's a culture of teamwork, and it's not just all about pumping out parts. It's about making a quality part and satisfying our customers' needs.
So by redirecting our focus to people and culture, in 2018, we fully believe that we're going to raise the bar for what it means to be a lean plant in Lippert Components.
Quality is definitely the #1 goal that we're trying to achieve. Our direction of quality is leading with standard operating procedures, but we want to get more focused on supplier quality, making sure that we're holding vendors more accountable, and we have more people focusing on making standard operating procedures for people on the floor to follow, so we can put more than one person into each position.
Throughout 58, we have a lot of different functional areas. In order to make sure that they're aligned, we utilize 3 different meetings, 2 of which are daily, 1 which is monthly. The first of which is our 5 a.m. production meeting, which the leaders from the floor get together and they talk about what the issues that they're faced with from the day prior, what they're going to do today to be successful, and then what they're going to do in the future in order to set themselves up for further success. The second being our 8 a.m. key leaders meeting, where we bring together the key leaders throughout the plant and discuss the issues that we're faced with on the floor that get escalated to our level. The third, which is our monthly communication meeting, where we bring all the team members from all the areas throughout the plant together and we discuss safety, quality, and then we open the floor to them to hear their concerns and we address them as they come forward.
Our strategy to get the team members on the floor to engage our goals are to intentionally listen to them. Because once you listen to them, you get to see how they're going to react in a way in which they see that we care. So when they see that we care, they're going to engage what we're doing to try to meet the goals in a way that they can buy into. I mean, they're the ones that are doing it every single day. They're the ones that are the experts, if you will. And when we support them by trying to give them a voice and empower them, then they're buying into what we're doing, and the movement is directly correlative to the way that we care and we intentionally listen to them.
We feel like alignment's really important here at the plant. That's across all levels. The goal is to align everybody, and we do that on a daily basis to make sure that everybody's fully aware of what's going on, that they're working together, helping support each other. We feel like that level of teamwork is very important, and so we definitely strive for that every day here at Plant 58.
We developed a real team atmosphere here, and the reason it is important is it brings a variety of people together that have complementary skills. And what that does is that allows everybody to work toward a common goal. It gives everybody a sense of direction, gives everybody excitement, and then they can spend time as they work together actually promoting and working at supporting each other. One of the things we found is there's 3 things that makes up an ideal team member, and you have to be humble, hungry, and emotionally smart. Humble means that I'm not so concerned about myself getting credit, but I'm concerned about giving somebody else credit for what they do. We have to be hungry too. We have to want change and be excited about change. And then emotionally smart means that I have to recognize my teammates' skills and abilities, and I have to be able to play into those. So if they're struggling, I need to be able to come alongside of them, or if they have a strength, I need to be able to jump in and make sure that they're using that strength to help the team. To a customer, it means that we can change things quickly, because as teams, we have a variety of people that have different skills. And so what we do is we take those skills with those team members, we adjust, we see things that the customer needs, and we meet their needs in a very, very rapid way.
In 2016, we eliminated a lot of our chop saws out on the floor. That was probably one of our bigger accomplishments. We've been able to be proactive on certain things and eliminate them from the floor. Our safety team's been definitely a big part of it and helping us push that and drive performance. So we've also done some major improvements to our power presses. We've been able to add more sophisticated safeties on them, along with our benders, add more sophistication to the benders so that we can eliminate those major hazards that exist on there. One of the biggest things we've been able to do is be proactive with the safety team and having them out on the floor and looking for risks and hazards. Seeing those guys out on the floor from a peer perspective, they know that they're coming, they know that they're involved, and other people want to get involved as well. So it helps us drive the culture so we can strive to be a world-class safety program.
Plant 58 has done a great job putting process controls in place. We've informed all of our team members. We've been able to control our retention, which has been a great asset to us, and that we're able to continue training people beyond just the first and second level into what the customer expectation is, what the quality expectation is for certain products, and actually it's helped develop our products to make them even better than where they were before. We definitely have a very diverse group of team members here at Plant 58, but without a doubt, if you walk the floor, you'll see lots of smiles and happy team members that are trying to put their best foot forward to put out good products for the customers safely and by following the quality processes that we put in place.
The level of service we give to a customer, I think, is so different than what the competition does. From our service team, our quality management team, and getting those guys in front of the customers and interacting at that level too, so that it's a real hands-on approach with the customer to resolve issues. You know, a lot of what we do is listening to our customers' needs. They're telling us what the market's saying, where it's going, how it's going to grow, what we need to bring to the market, and we try and leverage our customers to bring them in, work with us here at Plant 58, even in our engineering team, to develop these products and deliver them to the market.